It's definitely gratifying. But then I give credit to all my volunteers.
How many times in a lifetime can you save somebody's life?
I come from a family of 15 kids, and I'm thinking someday somebody in my family is going to need a lot of blood for something. Heaven forbid it would happen, but someday.
It not only helps them, it helps me. You learn from good people, and good people come here. I talk to the people all the time, and I enjoy it. That's mostly why I do it, is because I like it. And the Red Cross is a very big organization that knows what they're doing, and we want to support them.
Even though we only get, like today, it might be 70 units, I still think that's 70 people plus that you're helping.
We see a lot of the repeat people, and wish we could see more new people. We always need the blood, but then they become your friends.
She is very devoted to it. I've seen her doing things that is beyond what she is required to do.
So because she's been doing this for 57 years, everyone knows her. And no matter where you're at, whether she knows you or not, she might get in a word, do you want to be a blood donor? It's a win-win-win for blood in Fairbury because of Barb.
I mean, all you gotta do is open your arm and give blood, and you can save somebody's life.
And your blood could do it. Wouldn't that make you feel good that you saved a life?